A rewarded play update on iPhone can sometimes cause problems with tracking, loading, or opening games, because app updates can change how apps connect with iOS settings. By the end, you'll know the steps to troubleshoot rewarded play after an iOS update without immediately deleting the app or losing progress. Start by checking whether both rewarded play and the game you are playing are updated. Open the App Store. Check your available updates and install any pending versions. If rewarded play opens but does not track your game activity, launch the game from inside the rewarded play app instead of opening it separately from your iPhone home screen. Next, restart your iPhone. Restarting closes background processes that may interfere with app connections after a system update. You should also check your iPhone settings. Go to your app permissions and confirm that rewarded play has the access it needs to function correctly. If tracking stopped after the iOS update, check whether your privacy settings changed. iOS updates can sometimes reset or modify app permissions, which can affect how apps recognize activity. Another fix is to close the app completely and reopen it. Swipe away rewarded play and the affected game, then start the process again from the rewarded play offer page. If the issue only happens with one game, test another game inside rewarded play. A single game failing usually points to a game-specific problem rather than a full app issue. Avoid deleting rewarded play right away. If your account information or progress is not synced correctly, removing the app may create extra steps to restore your setup. If none of these fixes work, contact Rewarded Play support with details about your iPhone model, iOS version, the Rewarded Play version, and what changed after the update. The main fixes are updating the apps, reopening games through Rewarded Play, checking permissions, restarting your iPhone, and avoiding unnecessary reinstallations. Try the basic troubleshooting steps first because most app issues after an update come from settings or connection changes. If this guide helped you fix Rewarded Play after an iOS update, subscribe for more reward app fixes and troubleshooting guides.